Hi guys, welcome to another video tutorial. This time we are going to see how to use font and text in Adobe Xd. Now let's get started with font family. You go to the right panel and here you can choose between a large amount of font available on Adobe Xd. You can also change the font size of the text that we have on the screen by changing the number or by dragging the dots that is under each text. Now, we can also change the font weight. For some of them, we can change to bold, to italic. That depends on the family. Then there is also character spacing. With character spacing, we can increase the space or decrease between each character. Now, there is also line spacing. To do this, we have to create more lines. So, for the example, we are use 3 lines and remove this text that right now isn't useful. So we go to the panel and increase the number. As you can see, the spacing between lines work like this. And if we want for paragraph, you can increase the number of this one. Now let's check the text transform. You can convert them to capitalize, to uppercase, to lowercase. Another interesting tool is opacity. You can change the opacity by dragging this handle or using the number from 1 to 0. That is all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.